Lately a sweet bird sang to me, and I hear the rain, just another reminder of passing of age. It scares me to death, a reminding of what could happen to me, and I can't control it. All I could do is wait. The sweet birds will sing to me, I'll sing back to them my dubious pleas, because I can't help it, but it scares me to death. Live while you have it, while you still can. What I'm told, what I now understand, from seeing the youth spark in their eyes. Will I be found by night or hold tonight? The sweet birds will sing to me, sing back to them my dubious pleas. But upon those bows which sing against cold, barren the choirs with like the sweet birds sing. The sweet birds will sing to me, sing back to them my dubious pleas, 'cause I know I can't help it, but fucking scares me to death. You're the kind of face, and that's my best. One day I was in your arms, behold, now beside a bed that isn't even yours. Upon those bows that shake against the cold, barren choirs where like the sweet birds sing. Take me away to where these sweet birds will never sing. Announcing me at someone else is passing. Someone will be you and me. The sweet birds will sing to me, sing back to them my dubious pleas, 'cause I know I can help it, but fucking scares me to death. Your perfect face and that's my best. The sweet birds will sing to me, I'll sing back